All right, so the first one is that the Ministry of Education, Youth and Information, they say it will cost the government $14 billion with a B to remove schools from the shift system. I quote, we have some 30-odd schools that are on shift that have to be removed, and there's a particular list of schools that have been identified to be removed from shift this year. They are Exchange All-Age School in St. Anne, which will be upgraded at a cost of $21.9 million. Albertown High, that's in Trelawney, $30 million. Cedric Titus High in Trelawney, $12 million. And Port Antonio High in Portland, $30 million. So in September, it was announced that those schools would be removed from the shift system this year at a cost of $93.9 million. Why the money will be, what, additional classrooms? What? Why $14 billion? Why? Because the infrastructure for the schools would be there already, wouldn't it?
I suppose so, but
the shift system is why? Because you have too many students and you can't accommodate everybody.
Usually. So you stagger.
Right.
The day. I'm not sure what that cost.
I guess you have to put in more infrastructure, I suspect, to host.
It would be nice to get a breakdown.
Yeah, to host everybody at one time.
Understands. That's the Minister, Carl Samuda there, Minister of Information in the middle, who has made this announcement, flanked by PM on one side, Alanda Terlong on the other. I believe they were at the Youth Awards, which were held on the weekend. Now we have some folks to congratulate out of that, but let's go on with our hot topics. Doctors are sick of it. They are in, reportedly, perplexed mode following what they describe as the inaction of the Minister of Health and Wellness, Dr. Christopherson, to prescribe a timetable for the reappointment of the powerful Medical Council of Jamaica. That council has regulatory oversight of the practice of medicine in Jamaica, but none has been in place since August, when the life of the council ended. Wow. So, under the arrangements, the professional members of the medical fraternity nominate 8 of the 15 members of the council. The minister is directly responsible for naming 2 registered medical practitioners in addition to 3 laypersons. And really what they're saying is this council is way too important to not have one being active at this point in time. So the minister, I know, has responded to say he's on it, he's going to get it done, he's going to appoint some members, and the life of the council appointed will be for 3 years.
All right. There you go. So, I just told you that after hearing what I'm going to say now, you might not want a smart TV. The FBI has warned that if people picked up a new smart TV, there are a few things that customers should know about their new purchase, mainly that it can be a security nightmare.
Why?
Well, it says that anything connects to the internet, smart TVs can be left open to potential vulnerabilities and even hackers. As you can imagine, it's a perfect recipe for a security and privacy nightmare if you're not careful. And as we've learned in the past, hardware companies that are making these internet-connected devices don't always make security their priority. So it says beyond the risk that your TV manufacturer and app developers may be listening and watching you, that television can also be a gateway for hackers to come into your home.
That's lovely.
Isn't it, though? So the smarter we get, the more problems we put ourselves in. Isn't that just one?
More risk. May we send our thoughts and prayers to the folks who sell in the Maypen market, which was destroyed by fire on the weekend at Christmas time. What
imagine.
A terrible thing to happen. We
Hopefully
really
they
hope
will find a spot.
something can be done in time so these vendors, but did they lose their things in the fire is the next thing.
I suspect. I don't know.
Oh,
That's
Jesus.
unfortunate at this time.
And then before you get to birthdays, let me congratulate Rasheen, Dottie, Mary, Coffee, Yonanite Wisdom or Campbell?
Wisdom.
Campbell or Wisdom? Diver for Jamaica, and our own Talia Suarez of Fame 95 FM, all recipients of the Prime Minister's Youth Awards in different areas. Congratulations to you guys among 48 awardees who were given.
Natalia, also the host of Intense, comes up here on TVJ.
Correct.